Hello everyone, this is Fiona from Lavender Blue. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I just have a project share. I won't be making anything, but I'm going to show you what I've been making and explain to you how I did it so that you can go ahead and make your own. So we've been making these in the Facebook group today, and I actually have some free printables, and this is the freebie Friday in my Facebook group for tomorrow. And what we've been doing with this is making some little laminated charms. So my Facebook group will be linked in the description box below if you wanted to join in, because this will be a challenge and there'll be a little prize at the end of the week if you wanted to make some. So on the printable, we've got some butterflies, a flower, some little photographs, some leaves, and some little labels. And so, as I said, we've been making laminated charms. So there's a few different ones that I thought I would share. So with the little photographs, I've just laminated them. They're just single-sided, and I've added them to a little card and then just put in a bulb pin and added a charm. You could use an ordinary safety pin, or you can make little dangly paper clips with these as well if you didn't have any bulb pins. So the cards I've used, these are my little, I have a printable kit in my shop in the ephemera section, which is linked below, and these are called vintage trading cards. It's a fairly large kit. You get a lot of vintage trading cards, and they're in two different sizes. You get bigger ones and smaller ones, so just in case you're interested in those. And so I've just put, this is one idea, just putting your little photo there with a backing card and adding a charm. So I've done that one, and then I've done this one, and then I've done this one using that method, and they're all with the little vintage trading cards. Now the other ones that I've done are these, using the butterflies. So the butterflies in the printable I've made in such a way that you can put them back to back so you can see both sides. Just cut them out into a little circle, laminated them, cut them into a circle. If you have a circle punch large enough, you could do it with a circle punch or a flower punch, whatever you had, and then just back them onto a larger circle like this. And that's just a piece of cardstock, and then added the bulb pin and a little charm. And I've done the same thing here with a little flower, with a little sunflower, back like this. And there you go. So they make cute little charms for your junk journals. The other thing we did with the leaves, and now you can just, with the leaves, you could just hang them as they are, and you could add a little charm, or as I've done here, hang them with a little card or something, but I didn't add a charm to this one. This is one of the little photographs, and I've backed this one with just a label and let it dangle like this. Another one of the butterflies, and I just had a die cut rose, so I used that and added a little charm. Here is one with a paper clip. So this is from the printable, little girl from the freebie, and then I've added this label from one of my other kits, but you can just paper clip that to a page or an envelope, and it's just a nice little little embellishment for your junk journal. And this one again is a butterfly, double-sided, and I've just hung this one in front of a tag. These two here are another couple of little paper clip dangles. So in this case I've just used a jump ring and then dangled them to the paper clip. And you could also add a little metal charm on there as well. Just paper clip them to either an addition to your journal, like an envelope, a journal card, or onto your page. And these ones here are larger photographs that I have in my vintage photograph collection in my shop. And I've laminated these and I've done them slightly differently. So I've just added a little charm at the top of this one with a bowl pin, and then I added a bit of lace to the back. And then I've added the little dangles at the bottom, just using a eye pin. I threaded it with some beads, and then made a loop at the top, attached it with a jump ring, and hung a charm at the bottom. So this would make a nice dangle to your spine or on the front of a journal. And this one I've done similarly, a little charm and a bulb pin, and then I've made a little dangle with some beads, another little charm, and a jump ring. So they're just some ideas for some little laminated charms. And just one other idea I wanted to share. I've just discovered that you can actually just laminate one side of something if you wanted to. So how I did this was, I got my laminator sleeve. I put some photos on one side, and then because I want to use these as journaling cards, so that's why I didn't want them laminated on the back. And then you put a piece of ordinary paper in between, and then put your other photos or cards on the other side. So you run them through the laminator, and then you cut off the paper. Try not to get them too close to the edge. Cut your paper, and then you'll be able to peel off them separately, the top and the bottom. So then you've got your back is able to be written on. I mean, you can still, if they're laminated like this, you can actually sew on them. So you could still sew some paper onto the back, but if you didn't want to do that, you can just laminate one side. So I just thought I'd share that as well. Okay, so just a really quick video. That's all I wanted to share, was what we've been making. And to let you know that there is a free printable in the Facebook group that you can use to make these. And I will come out with another printable of these with 4 or 5 sheets of different things that you can print out. But this is the free one for this week. And so, yeah, I hope you like this project and you get it inspires you to make your own little laminated charms. And thanks very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.